Okay, tell me exit time. Time.
It's 1 a.m.
Nihal, when is Summer sir coming?
I'm sure he'll be here any minute.
Alright. Can you hold this for me, please?
Yes, sure. Now!
You! Not you. You stay back. Just leave.
So, Mr. Singh, this case looks easy cheesy to me. We got CCTV in here. It seems to be a murder, not a natural death. What do you think?
Are you out of your mind?
Angel, huh? Now, get down on your knees, you backstabber. This is the last time. I'll take the shot, pull your brain out of your head. You prick!
Can we talk after finishing this?
No. I want my answers. Now! So, when did you become Romeo to my Juliet?
It's not true what you think, my friend.
Friend, you are on hand. I saw everything in her phone.
Everything you see does not give you the correct picture.
Shut the fuck up! You die today, for sure. After the truth, I hear from a shit mouth.
Alright, then listen. On your birthday, in Club 90, when you were totally drunk, she followed me, grabbed me, pushed me in the corner, and kissed me. And she warned me to not to tell you. Or she'll turn the table on me.
It's thin. But there is something. Hey, who's calling you? Pass me that phone. Now! Bitch. Calling again? You sucker!